morning and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices hovered near an over 1 week high after expectations the US Federal Reserve will trim interest rates next month kept non-yielding bullion a favoured asset. Wall Street's main indexes rose for a fourth consecutive session as investors doubled down on bets the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in December. Tech stocks were in the lead following AI server maker Dell's strong forecasts, helping the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq touch 2-week highs. S&P Global downgraded its rating of Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, citing an increase in higher-risk assets in its reserves and persistent gaps in disclosure. Tether said it strongly disagrees with the characterization presented in the report.
The euro-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The stochastic indicator is in overbought territory. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.